world has heard Pakistan's Defence Minister Khwaja Asif admitting and confessing Pakistan's history of supporting, training, and funding terrorist organizations in a recent television interview.
Hakamat ka United Nation sanga kari India ya ka Pakistan nakadaw bakadong tilang pan beting ka aji kai bat support ya kilano laong ro bakari Pakistan kalong kari ka ba asabha ya kini kikintin laong daka deputy permanent representative jong kari India ka Yojana Patel kalong ro ba baro kiri jong kepertei kilio sengolot ya kejingkren menteri jong keri ka Pakistan ukhawaja Asif ubal kubur baka Pakistan ka bay pisa aji kai bat kersan ya kleno ka Yojana Patel kala penrapro bat kalaong baka jingkren wasif ka bapan i syakiri jong kepertei ba ka Pakistan keri ka ba asap bat kiri jong kepertei kimdai banle kumba bomyo i bat bomyo sngo bat kala pensngoro syaka United Nation jong kiri jong kepertei kibalapha iya kejing sengolem ya kejing jia kabalajia apa halgam Jammu Kashmir kulbashbon.